are in SICUREZZA in Milan for trade fairs, and we are amazed with the amount of people that are visiting our stand. Today on 180 square meters, SATEL is showcasing many new solutions, many new products that is going to be introduced in near time. The one that we are very convinced and very happy to introduce to our clients is B-Wave. B-Wave is a totally new family of products that completes the SATEL offer. What is new and what is the most important about this product is that it has, as a heart, it has its hub. And when you look at the product, first of all, you have to look at the soul of the product. And the soul of the product is our wireless ABAX2 technology, the technology that is well known for many years on the market. The thousands of installers all around the world are using this technology in wireless solutions. Thousands, hundreds of thousands of installations has been made with this technology. So now we have implemented this technology in a very easy to use solution. So the hub is the heart of this system, and the revolution it is with the programming and configuring the system is the application. So everything is done through the application. So even if it's used by an end user or an installer, everything is in your hand, starting from the configuration setup. So we are going to sum up just the most important advantages of the product. So starting from the application, it configures itself, it creates itself while the user is adding the products, adding the rooms in the property. The dashboard is creating itself. Afterwards, it can be changed, the order can be changed of each element so it suits the needs that creates in everyday life. So if you use something more often, you can put it in the first place. Then two more things that needs to be highlighted. The method and creating the logic of automation is extremely easy, which was also commented by our guests on our stand, that this has no competition on the market at the moment. It's very logic, it's very easy, it's very intuitive, and it's very fast. So even people with the less knowledge of technology can do the automation within the property. The next thing is the presence simulation, which is done in a totally different way that is already seen in other solutions that is now seen on the market. We are strongly convinced that this solution is going to be the most common and used solution within the installers and end users. B-Wave system is all in one. It's smart and security function within one system. So configuring the automation and security options in the application is done by the user. And then controlling it is also done in the application. So B-Wave is smart, security, and can be used for energy efficiency. We say in our marketing slogans, B-Wave, be safe, be comfortable, be eco.